Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show guys how can you change your screen color mode in your Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to change your screen color mode, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change screen color mode in our Xiaomi phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So friends, now let's see how to change screen color mode in our Xiaomi phone. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change it. Then guys scroll and guys you can see your display settings. So guys tap here. And again scroll and as you can see color search change, so guys tap here, so you can change your screen color mode from here. Guys you can see this regular color, standard, and guys you can see vivid this. So guys, and guys you can color temperature adjust from here like that. So let's come back, so you can change your screen color mode like that guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to change the screen color mode in our Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.